Okay, then we can start to configure our pipe routing by deleting all these unnecessary parts. Then click on this UPVC, edit type, edit routing, then here click on this elbow M-band PVC schedule 40, and then T is of course is this schedule reducing T cross. Okay, we don't seldom use cross, so we don't need to configure that. Maybe none. We don't use cross. Transition reducing PVC schedule 40. Then socket. Okay, we use this. Remain this. Then cap. Okay, that's all for that, I think. Then click on OK, apply OK. Then you can start to draw our UPVC pipe to check the fittings here. Okay, that looks okay. Okay, then reducer, try to draw the pipe. Let's increase the size. Increase the size further. Okay, looks okay. So there is your UPVC pipe. Then of course you can click on edit type. If you want it to be more detailed, you can even change this segment. Yeah, segment and size. Click on here. You can choose the PVC schedule to 40 that you want, or you can create your own new material and pipe. Okay, then key in your nominal diameter, internal and outer diameter. So where you get this information from, of course you can go to your catalog and you can investigate the standard nominal size, outer diameter and the internal diameter from here. Okay, then you have to key in this. So for more detail, you can look into my courses offered on Teachable. Here we have offered a series of tutorials in this plumbing tutorial over here. You can go through this content. If you are interested, then you can start to enroll today and learn into detail on step-by-step how to model your piping, your plumbing families until the highest level of detail for all the plumbing equipment. Basically all you need to know for the plumbing services is included inside this tutorial. Yeah, let's go back to here, then click OK. OK, apply OK. Then we can start to draw our piping. Let's go back to level 1. So this is the master toilet. Then we can try to start system. Click on the pipe, select the pipe types that you want, then you can start to draw the pipe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we can change the view template first. Unlock the view template to none, apply, then change to fine. Then from here start to draw the pipe. Okay, let's start to draw with 100 mm pipe. Okay, this is for your toilet. You can change to wireframe so you can see the what happening below. You can even change the color of the piping. Okay, I'll tell you detail on how you're doing that. So then we can cut a section to see what happened here. Okay, so have a section view here, then change to detail, change to wireframe. Then okay, basically you are modeling your pipes at a high level. Then of course it's not correct, you need to move down your pipe here. Okay, this is where you need to start to model your pipe. Okay, draw the pipe up to reach your WC. Of course you need to connect it. So knowing the connector, what is the level, is very important during the coordination. Okay, it's like this, yeah. Then looks like the ceiling level is quite limited, and this one is clash with here. Okay, so then we know that this design issue need to be addressed in the early stage, including the lowering down the ceiling level, lowering down the windows level. All this need to be addressed. Okay, and from here, okay, if you want to draw the pipe in gradient, let's try to delete this. Then from here you can right click, draw the pipe. You can create the slope down gradient, and by selecting the gradient, then you can start to draw the pipe in gradient. Okay, so the setting of gradient is coming from here. Go to manage, then MEP setting. Okay, the mechanical setting, slopes, you can add in your new slope here by 150, let's say. So you have 1 to 150 slope now. So delete that, then you start to draw again with the slope of 1 to 150 is like this. Okay, so basically now the pipe is automatically sloping down. Then go back to the level 1 here, align this pipe to the middle. Okay, then if I want to see the link file in halftone, of course you can go to the VG to set the link file to halftone. Okay, so everything is halftone except the piping. So VR to address the view range issue, let's say I only want to see the 2000, then I want to see negative 1 meter to the floor below. Apply. Okay, now basically I can see the pipe below. So by adjusting the view range, I can see the 2 meter height elements from here, then negative 1 meter view depth. The elements all will be displayed in this view. Yeah. So this is the first piping, then the second piping. We can go to here, draw the pipe. PI is the shortcut key for pipe 2. Yeah. Then you can select this pipe size, then draw this pipe, come to here. Of course there will be a U-trap here always. You can use the default family that have a U-trap here to model the U-trap. Okay, then from level 1 you can continue to draw the pipe, connect to here. Don't connect it first, okay? Try to find the correct level like this. Then of course you have to select this, copy, and here will be your floor trap. Floor trap, I have not modeled my floor trap yet. You can do it later. Change the pipe size to 80 mm for the floor trap. Yeah. Then here, suppose we have another floor trap at the corner for the shower area. Okay, all the pipes should be connecting back to the shaft. Okay. And then down to the ground and discharge to external. Maybe there will be a chamber over there. Okay, so I can't see the box up here. Let's go back to ground floor. The box up is over here, so we need to divert our pipe by going back to here. The ground floor, yeah. Looks like a little bit clash here, so lower down the ceiling is necessary, and maybe it's go to behind. Okay, ground floor behind. Then at level 1, back to level 1. Then we can start to connect every piping to the common pipe over here. Ensuring the pipe level is okay. Go to view. Okay, lowering down this pipe. Okay, then we connect to here. This one also. Try to connect a line to this center of pipe. Then we move that to here. Section view. Okay, looks like it's okay. Then we connect. So some consultant designs don't like the floor trap piping to be connected too near to the WC to prevent in case any chokeage in the WC pipe, then it won't be overflow outside through the floor trap. So this depends on the design, but only for this double story house is only one toilet, then it should be fine, I think. And come back to here. Okay, this should be connected to the floor trap instead of the pipe. Yeah. So the floor trap we haven't modeled yet. We will model it in next section, I think, because we have running out of time. Then this is basic piping modeling. Then of course, if you click on the pipe, you can see it is under system type of hydronic supply, which is not correct. You can change to sanitary. So everything will be changed to sanitary pipe system. Then you can see the color is different. Okay. Then because this is on the effect of wheel filter that I will teach you later on. Okay. I guess that's all for this session. Come back to here, align to the center. Okay, I guess that's all for this session. Let's see what we have in 3D view. So today we have tried to model the piping, sanitary piping with gradient. Try to connect sanitary fittings with the piping here. Okay, this one we delete that. This is for floor trap. We're going to model it later on. Okay, these are the piping. So change to perspective. Okay. Of course, if you deal with a more complex system, you will need a vent pipe. So you will lower down again your ceiling level. Okay. So I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.